मत मारो यार।
यहाँ पे
And one look this side.
सोनाली में इकडे 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 मॅम इकडे सोनाली मॅम इकडे मॅम इथे इथे
मैम वेट मैम
या
मॅम इकडे एकदा
सोनाली जी
सोनाली मॅम इकडे
हो गया तेरा
सोनाली मैडम 1 मिनट
सोनाली जी थैंक यू
मैम। मैम थोड़ा साइड
चला जा रे ठीक है ना ए भाई हाथ दी भाई तुम लोग क्या तनेश वेट तनेश जी यहाँ पे इधर
लेफ्ट में आइए मैम यहाँ पे आइए लेफ्ट में
ए पीछे आ जाओ तानिया जी यहाँ पे
Sanu, one look this side.
तानिया जी यहाँ पे सेंटर में
मैम लुक हियर तानिया जी पीछे एक बार हाँ बस ओके हाँ जी सर तानिया जी एक तीनों तानिया जी यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड में तानिया जी यहाँ पे प्लीज अरे लोग कम क्लोज बोथ ऑफ यू ये कम क्लोज कम क्लोज ऐसा लुक या
लुक योर राइट
लेफ्ट साइड सर लेफ्ट
राइट मैम राइट सेंटर लोग तानिया जी राइट तानिया जी चला डालो थोड़ा आगे
सोनाली जी प्लीज सोनाली जी सोनाली जी हाँ इधर भी
इधर भी
सोनाली मैम इकडे बघा ना
सोनाली जी इधर भी
सोनाली जी इधर
सोनाली जी प्लीज सोनाली जी
इधर राइट में आपके राइट में
राइट में इधर सोनाली प्लीज चलो आ जाओ
मैम इकडे मैम समोर इकडे
इकडे
थैंक यू
थैंक यू
I definitely don't want to. Let's be clear on that.
हाँ बेटा आजा।
रकुल जी
सानिया जी बोलिए ना,
क्या करो?
वो हाथ में लीजिए ना।
क्या फूल?
ये टीम वाला है।
हाँ यहाँ पे देखिए सानिया जी, यहाँ पे सानिया जी यहाँ पे देखिए।
लेफ्ट टू राइट।
मैम यहाँ पे देखिए। मैडम लेफ्ट में।
अरे यार लाइट भी चालू कर दो।
राइट राइट।
थैंक यू।
Thank you.
स्टार्ट करेंगे बाद में।
यस यस यस, धन्यवाद।
लाइट
तो बोला लाइन है।
रकुल जी दादा
थैंक यू भाई, थैंक यू।
व्हाट है?
तो
हल्के में ले रहा था।
देखा कैसा फोटो हो रहा है आवाज पे।
मैडम इधर सामने मैडम। टीम हैदराबाद,
थैंक यू।
भाई भाई चलो पीछे यार।
टीम हैदराबाद।
सामने हैदराबाद
कहीं लगाए हैं।
हैदराबाद की टीम ही है ना।
थैंक यू सर।
चलो भाई चलो चलो बैक टू कैमरा। चलो इधर उधर चल रहा है तो हम 3 जने हैं।
वंस मोर या इधर
मैडम यहाँ पे चेन्नई। मैडम इकडे। मैम इथे बघा राईटला। मैम स्टेट मैम स्टेट या। मैम इकडे बघा।
सोनाली जी इधर।
मैम इधर।
सोनाली जी इधर इधर।
राइट में कौन लेफ्टला तुमच्या।
One for me, two.
मैम स्टेट। मैडम लेफ्टला। मैम यहाँ पे चेन्नई चेन्नई टीम।
Got it, thank you.
सोनाली जी चेन्नई चेन्नई।
हाँ
थैंक यू। चेन्नई यहाँ पे मैम सोनाली जी इधर राइट में। सोनाली मैम राइट में। सोनाली मैम।
ए बस रे रश्मि जी
कहना रुक जाओ यहीं पे एक बार। मैम वेट इधर 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 इधर।
Mama is not coming. अच्छा जा।
एक सोलो कर।
वेट
मैम लेफ्ट। अरे गिम्पल वेट शाला। हाँ बोल। 3 ही स्पीकर मार रहा है खाली। एक मिनट कम स्टार्ट हो।
नाच रहे
किसी को नहीं पता मैं खड़ी हूँ यार, क्या कर रही हूँ?
लाइट।
मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि 5 साल से मैं देख रही हूँ कि ये लीग इतना बड़ा होता जा रहा है, बेहतरीन बड़ा होता जा रहा है, और उसे देखते हुए और आज इस कार्यक्रम में आते हुए मुझे बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है। थैंक यू कुणाल, उन्होंने मुझे यहाँ पे आने के लिए बुलाया था। और ये खेल जो है ये केवल खेल नहीं है, ये हमारे देश में एक मंच बना हुआ है कि अच्छे खिलाड़ी टेनिस में आगे जाए। तो इसके लिए मैं अभिनंदन करती हूँ। और यहाँ पे जो भी खिलाड़ी आए हैं, महेश भूपति जी है, लिएस जी है, पेंटर है, और जो भी सब खिलाड़ी हैं उनका मैं अभिनंदन करती हूँ। और जो सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं उनका भी मैं अभिनंदन करती हूँ। और हमेशा हम भी आपके साथ रहेंगे, हमारी सरकार आपके साथ रहेगी। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Who was the former women's doubles world #1. She is an inspiration to many. Along with them, their esteemed member and mentor, Mr. Gaurav Kapadia. Yeah, can I request the brand ambassador, Ms. Sania, to please say a few words?
Good afternoon, everyone. I think, like everyone, I have to also start by thanking Kunal and Mrunal for having, well, first of all, for getting me, Mahesh and Leander together in one picture. And then, just kidding, guys, just kidding. No, but for actually putting this together for so many years, I think tennis needed this, and tennis needs this, as we all know, and we're really happy to be part of something that is only going to help tennis grow. So I've been a part of TPL for a few years, and I've had the pleasure of being at a bunch of auctions, and it's done extremely professionally, and it gives amazing opportunity, not just for the Indian players to play against the best in the world, but also for them to grow. And we can see that from the fact that we do have a lot of, we have like 6 top 150 doubles men's players today. So I think TPL can take some credit for that as well. Again, thank you very much. I am honored to be here. Thank you for having me as your brand ambassador, and I look forward to a great auction and a great week of tennis in a couple of months.
Thank you, Sania. To hand over the bidding paddle to our incredible Bengal Wizards, I invite Dr. Rajendra Jain, Managing Director, Swar Group and Trophy Partner of the Tennis Premier League, to come on stage, please. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best. Let's give a warm welcome to the reigning champions of the previous season, the Bengaluru SG Pipers.
This is going to be a great sight to watch.
I request Mr. Mahesh to please say a few words.
As everyone has said, I'd like to again congratulate and thank Kunal and Mrunal for putting this together. I know how hard it is to sustain a league for so long, so congratulations. And looking forward to the auction. I've been waiting for an hour, so I'm ready to get started. Yeah, good luck to all the teams, and looking forward to season 6.
Thank you, Mahesh. Thank you also for keeping it short. To hand over the bidding paddle to the Bengaluru SG Pipers, I now invite Mr. Rajesh Jain, owner of Prachar Communications, to the stage, please. All right, thank you so much. Let's welcome the dynamic Punjab. Expertise will guide the players to greatness.
We bought a couple of teams as World of Leader in sports, and this is one of the leagues that we're very proud of to be associated with. We made our debut last year, so we are looking at making a dent this year. We finished 3rd, so thanks. Thank you so much. We are happy to be here.
Thank you so much. To hand over the bidding paddle to the exceptional owners of the Punjab Patriots, I invite Ms. Aradhana Gupta, founder of We, as well as Mr. Roshan Sachdev of Such Developers, on stage, please. Thank you so much. Let's give a warm welcome to the formidable Hyderabad Strikers team, renowned for their
This is the season 6 of TPL. I think all of us present over here, we're very excited to be a part of this league. I think this is the time of the year we have been waiting for throughout the year. And we hope to make sure that we get the best team put together today with the mentorship of Suresh sir and Rakulpreet Nam here. So looking forward to a great afternoon ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. Of course, as it's compulsory, we have to thank Kunal and Runal for working so passionately towards growing the league. I remember speaking to Kunal 5 years back when he came to me, and I've been associated with the league for 5 years, and the kind of efforts that have been made year by year, the league growing. A big kudos to you both, and yeah, can't wait for the auction to get started. So keep it short and simple. Thank you.
Thank you so much. To hand over the bidding paddle, I would like to call on stage Hyderabad Strikers team, Mr. Ashwin Agarwal, Executive Director of Skillmind Technology, to the stage. Mr. Agarwal is a visionary leader committed to driving innovation and excellence in technology. Thank you. Next, let's put our hands together for our striking Gujarat Panthers team. Mr. Srimal Bhatt, Secretary of Gujarat State Tennis Association.
Hello everyone, I'm Meher Pargir. I've been associated with the Tennis Premier League from season 1, and I've literally grown up watching the tremendous growth, and I'm really happy to be involved in such a worthwhile cause of promoting tennis in India. And I'm glad to be formally a part of the team, and I hope we get the very best players today, and for my dad's dream to come true, and for Gujarat Panthers to bring it home this year. And wishing all of you the very best, and thank you.
Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. So we are really glad and excited to be a part of Tennis Premier League, something that Kunal and Munal started, and seeing it grow to the next level is quite exciting for us. So for this being our debut season, we really look forward to having a solid team, and yeah, definitely winning it, of course. Thank you. Over to Sonali.
Good afternoon, everybody. And yes, this year is different, but like Valusha said, I've been part of this TPL from its inception, thanks to, guess the two names, Kunal and Mrunal, yes. But I have to say, I'm so happy that the TPL has grown to come and is seeing the season 6 now. I know the kind of hard work, the dedication that has gone into it. Kunal and Mrunal have really put in a lot of effort. You know, he's a tennis lover, you're a tennis player, lot of tennis players here. I'm so happy to see Lee, Sanya and Mahesh in this room together. Amazing. Well done, Kunal and Mrunal. But so for me, not being a tennis player or that much of a watcher, the reason my association is with the boys, Kunal and Mrunal, and I love the effort they put in. I like the idea that this game needs to grow because we need to know that there are more games in this country which need to be promoted, and whatever little that I can do by getting that spotlight on the game, I'm trying my best. I think there are better people here to do that. I appreciate the fact that you all think that I can put the spotlight on it. Thank you for the honor. I'm glad to be the ambassador to a brand new team this season. But I think new is always good, change is always good. And with change comes newer competition, new energy, and I'm really looking forward to this energy this season. So all the best to the new team, and don't take them lightly. All the best for the auction.
Thank you so much, and all the best to the team. To hand over the bidding paddle, I'd like to call upon Mr. Gurpal Singh. Thank you so much. Let's give a loud cheer for the dynamic Yash Mumbai Eagles team. Chief Executive Officer, Sharachi Sports, and Mr. Saurav Sikdar, Advisor, Sharachi Sports. He's recently achieved a feat that no Asian man has ever achieved. He has been inducted into the International Tennis Hall of Fame. Alongside them, we are honored to have the esteemed mentor, Mr. Nandal Bal.
Good evening, everyone. Firstly, I'd like to welcome each and every one of you back. It's that time of year where we all come together with our sport and showcase what we can do in a country of 1.4 billion people plus. I'd first like to thank all the team owners. I'd like to thank the new teams, the Chennai team, for being so gracious in the way that you've already conducted yourself. Thank you. I'd like to thank Rahul Todi, Tamalda, and our Shrachi boys for coming forward. And these two new teams that have come in, welcome to Tennis Premier League. On that, I'd also like to thank my favorites, Sonali, Rakul, Sanya, Mahesh, Tapsi, and the Tennis Premier League's favorite mascot, Rakul's Papa. Thank you so much for being with us today. Today's, I would like to give a big thank you to the few people that have made a huge difference in my life, who've actually got a big part in this. Right next to me is someone who's my senior, I grew up with. I always wanted to learn how to volley like him, especially his low forehand volleys, low backhand volleys. Nandan, thank you for being that guy I looked up to, the guy who conducted himself every time he went on the tennis court like a rugged athlete, but also a gentleman. Thank you for being my Davis Cup coach. Thank you for guiding me through my career. The All India Tennis Association got two brothers here, 3 generations running the association. The father, Mr. R.K. Khanna, gave me my first chance when I was 14 years old. I'd like to thank the All India Tennis Association, along with Sundar and everyone back in Delhi and around the country who supported me through my career. Thank you. There are 2 people in this room who there's no way I would have this without. Sania and Mahesh, thank you for a great run. Thank you for being not just friends, but also for being the great leaders that you are. The way you conducted yourself, the way you played hard. We had our differences, but most importantly, we got 40 Grand Slam wins amongst us. Sania, playing alongside you at the Asian Games in Doha especially, where you carried me with a big injury that I had on my playing arm. We won the gold there. Playing with you in London, we came just a little shy of winning an Olympic medal, and that's something that I do regret, that we weren't able to win an Olympic medal together. That was something really special to play with you. Thank you for that support. Hesh, where do we go back, man? We go back to when we were kids. The hard yards all over the world. Uzbekistan, when we had no food there. Staying in locker rooms. Learning our trade. One of the greatest joys I've had in my career is to play with you. Thank you for being a great brother, a friend, and also a great leader for this country. To everyone in the Tennis Premier League, I really want to say thank you very much for the 6 years of continuous support. And yes, 2 names come to mind. So one starts with a K and the other with an M. Kunal and Mrinal. You guys are magic. The way that you've sustained the Tennis Premier League through a global pandemic, the way that you've brought every single one here, the way you've conducted yourself. You're great champions of our sport, and big congratulations to all of you. You will always have my support behind you. Thank you, guys. It's a unique thing that I think the last time that Sania, Mahesh, and myself got under one roof or got into a stadium together was probably the 2012 Olympics in London, I think. I'm not sure if there was another time, guys, if you remember before that, after that. I would humbly like to request both of them to come up and take a picture, because the Hall of Fame not only belongs to both of these 2 cats too, because they helped me get there, but it belongs to each and every single one of us Indians in this room and around the world.
A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. India's pride right there, standing in front of us. Thank you, Mahesh. Thank you, Sania. To hand over the bidding paddle to the owners of the Sharachi Delhi RAR Tigers, I now invite is a passionate supporter of tennis and a leading figure in the world of art, known for his commitment to fostering creativity and innovation.
नाही रे तरी गेट होती
एक
चलना पीछे
You wanted pictures. Sonali, what's a picture? Sonali, please can I also help? Excuse me, Sanya ma'am. Sanya ma'am.
Thank you. अरे
अरे पीछे चलो अरे चलते रहो अरे आओ अरे रुको
नहीं है लाइट।
फ्लैश ब्लॉक फ्लैश रकुल और ये लाइट है
आओ आओ। हाँ हो गया, थैंक यू।
Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you.
Can you just take a selfie?
In-house.
बाय रकुल जी। अरे
मैम यार साइड राकुल मैम एक फोटो राकुल मैम एक फोटो जाओ
बाय।